This tutorial guides you through connecting your lead magnet form to your landing page using Carrd and Google Forms. To walk you through connecting your lead magnet to your landing page, I created this example using Carrd to create a page designed for my smallest viable audience, passionate skateboarders. You want to set up your landing page so the lead magnet button helps you capture email addresses when clicked. When editing your landing page, click your lead magnet button to open the settings bar on the right. Here is where you will add the link that will help you capture your SVA email addresses. But we first need to create the email capturing page. You will need to use a tool like Google Forms to capture your audience's information. Here I've created a form for my lead magnet, The Secret Playbook for Becoming an Awesome Skateboarder. However, I haven't yet made it so people can download it. To do so, click Settings within your Google form to add your lead magnet link to the form's thank you page. Once you're on the Settings tab, click here to open the confirmation message settings for your form. Click the Edit link for the confirmation message to add the message users see after submitting the form. Here, you want to thank the user for their support and provide the download link to your lead magnet. For this form, I haven't yet added my link. I uploaded my lead magnet, The Secret Playbook for Becoming an Awesome Skateboarder, to my Google Drive. I opened my lead magnet in Google Drive to make sure that anyone who has the link can access it. I do this by clicking on the Share button on the top right-hand side of the page. Be sure anyone with the link is selected to allow public access to your lead magnet. Now that your lead magnet is publicly accessible, click Copy Link to copy the shareable URL to add to your Google Forms thank you page. Switch back to Google Forms and add in your lead magnet Google Drive link. Be sure to save your message once you're done. Now that you have added the link, click Publish to make your Google form live and accessible to users. Click Publish again to confirm and finalize the publishing of your form. When you've published your form, a pop-up will appear to the right of your screen. Here is where you get the link to see your public-facing survey. It's also the link we need to add to our Carrd landing page. Switch back to Carrd to finish your landing page. In the button pane, update the URL text field with your Google Forms link. Click Done to save the URL changes on your Carrd site. To publish your landing page with your lead magnet link, click the Save icon to open the publishing panel. Carrd requires you to name the page to inform visitors about your site. In this text field, add a description of your landing page. Here is where you will create your landing page URL that you will add to your Passion social media account. When your social media audience clicks on the link, they will come to this landing page. Click Publish to save and publish the final changes to your landing page. Click View Site to open and review your live landing page. This is my completed landing page to download my lead magnet. When you click on the download button, you will be taken to my Google Forms page to enter your email and receive my PDF, The Secret Playbook for Becoming an Awesome Skateboarder. You have successfully configured your lead magnet to link to your Carrd landing page and publish the site. Be sure to add your Carrd landing page URL to your social media account.